Welcome to City Lit. You're part of a community you won't find elsewhere. We want you to feel safe and comfortable so that we can continue to improve and enrich lives through learning. All our sites are fully accessible, and we offer a range of support and specialist help. It's important that you understand what to do in the unlikely event of an emergency. If the alarm sounds, or if you see a flashing beacon, or you are alerted by staff with alarms, such as air horns or loud hailers, please follow instructions from your tutor and staff. Evacuate the building calmly and safely, using the staircases at either end of the building, following the fire exit signs. Do not use the lifts. Fire marshals check all areas, including the refuge points. We have a disabled persons evacuation strategy in place and operate a system of standard plans for disabled and mobility impaired people. Fire marshals will inform you of the options available and ask you to make your way from the refuge point to the top of the stairwell so they can implement your chosen method of evacuation. Unless assistance is required, once outside, make your way to the assembly point at the corner of Keeley Street. Stay with your tutor. You'll be told when it's safe to re-enter the building. Sometimes it's safer to stay inside the building or classroom. For example, if there's a civil disturbance outside or a serious security threat inside. If you hear an alarm or see white beacons flashing in classrooms, this means an incident has been reported in this building. Please wait for further instructions. Please follow the instructions of your tutor or a staff member. Secure the door of the room you are in or move to the nearest secure space. Stay there until staff or security give further guidance. Look out for our information boards, which can be found in all our classrooms. They contain useful information on fire, emergencies, first aid, lost property, and emergency numbers, as well as safeguarding. Just look out for the Let's Talk signs. If you have any questions or concerns, or need our help in any way, please talk to your tutor or visit the help desk in the Student Centre. For more information, visit the help pages on our website.